Hi, I'm Sherry Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop, and I'm here at the Pilatesology studio. Let's do a no flexion workout on the Wunda chair. So who does no flexion exercises or workouts? Well, those of you with osteoporosis or any kind of lower back pain or strain that you feel like, oh, if I rounded my back, that's just going to feel lousy. And there are a couple of other no flexion workouts, or there's several other on Pilatesology. I personally have one that's a beginner mat, and then there's a strong intermediate advanced mat, and then there is a strong intermediate advanced reformer. So let's play with this. On this classical chair, I've got my springs set, one top spring, one bottom spring, ready for my feet to be on here. Let me double check. And we're going to start with the footwork. So have a seat at the front of your chair in a position that when you set up, you first lean back a little bit, put your arches on the chair because we want to try not to round your low back. Lean back, put your hands towards the back of the chair, push the pedal down, and get into a position where you could genuinely be on top of your sit bones with your pelvis neutral to the walls. That's hip points forward, pubic bone forward, sit bones straight down.